Roar louder, Leo. The cosmos are handing you your crown, and a mic drop moment too. Hey Lionheart. The second half of June is all about standing center stage, taking control, and owning your spotlight. This reading calls you out, with warmth, humor, and a whole lot of regal sass. Ready to see what's about to ignite your fire? Let's do this. The cards. Sun, upright. Vitality, success, joy. You're the sun on that throne. Shine bright, drop jaws, own your glow. 7 of Swords, upright. Strategy, secrets, deception. Someone's playing chess, not checkers. This card warns of behind-the-scenes scheming, white lies, or someone taking more than they give. 3 of Wands, upright. Opportunity, expansion, vision. Surprise, your dreams are padding forward. The horizon is buzzing. Pack your toolkit, Leo. Knight of Cups, reversed. Over-romanticizing, impracticality. Let's pull the lens back. That dreamy Cupid vibe? Don't get blind to reality, or your budget. King of Pentacles, upright. Mastery, abundance, reliability. You've got serious boss energy now. Time to invest, lead, and lock in legacy status. Queen of Wands, upright. Charisma, creativity, leadership. Hey, look who's serving stage presence and sparkles. 10 of Wands, reversed. Letting go, burnout relief. Drop the I'll do everything myself load. Delegate or ditch it all. The Fool, upright. Adventure, fresh start, leap. A new beginning is calling. Time to jump, trust your claw grip, and fly. 9 of Cups, upright. Fulfillment, wishes, emotional satisfaction. That moment of I got it all, hitting you like a warm embrace. 5 of Wands, upright. Competition, conflicts, debate. Collars up. Competition is here. Bring your best game, but not your claws to a friendly fight. 4 of Swords, upright. Rest, recovery, reflection. Even kings need naps. Embrace the throne couch, your majesty. Ace of Wands, upright. Inspiration, spark. Initiative. Inspiration hits like lightning. Grab your brush, pen, or plan, and paint your dreams. Temperance, upright. Balance, harmony, moderation. It's the black and gold outfit for your soul. Keep that vibe right. Justice, upright. Fairness, accountability, cause, and effect. Truth fighters, rejoice. Fairness is working in your favor. Just keep playing clean. Death, upright. Transformation, endings, renewal. Time to shed the old mane. Let the past pave the runway for your next chapter. 6 of Swords, upright. Transition, hope, healing. Boarding the boat of change, king or queen. Waves might toss, but your roar stays true. General reading. Leo, the cosmos are rolling out your red carpet. The Sun and Queen of Wands declare, it's your time to shine, and not subtly, spectacularly. Yet with that spotlight, the 7 of Swords asks you to watch your back. Unseen murmurs and jealous glimmers abound. You're in growth mode. 3 of Wands, heading toward fulfillment. 9 of Cups, and riding a wave of abundant energy. King of Pentacles. But hold steady. 10 of Wands reversed and 4 of Swords are reminding you not to overwork your paws to the ground. New adventure beckons. The Fool, Ace of Wands, mixed with a hint of caution. Avoid rose-colored glasses. Knight of Cups reversed. Keep balance in perspective. Temperance, justice, and a sprinkle of rest will guide your paws true. Ending cycles, death, and heading toward hopeful horizons. 6 of Swords means you're being molded into a stronger, wiser, and more radiant version of yourself. Love reading. Your heart game heats up. 9 of Cups is emotional satisfaction. Time to feel those butterflies. But Knight of Cups reversed warns not to fall for illusions. Get to know the real person behind the romance. If partnered, Expect both spark and friction. Five of Wands. Challenge each other, but lovingly. Keep communication open and ego in check. Advice: let passion thrive, but don't ignore red flags. Take breaks from relationship drama. Your heart needs downtime too. Embrace spice, but stay grounded in reality. Career and finance. You're planting legacy-level seeds. King of Pentacles. Career? Wealth? Yes, please. Just don't bite off more than you can chew. Delegation is not defeat. Three of Wands shows expansion, be it a new client, team, or project. Justice signals that contracts and fairness will align in your favor. Just read the fine print. Advice: take bold steps, but plan smart. Cash in your charisma, but don't burn through resources. Lean on your network. It's built with gold, not glitter. Leo, June 16th to 30th impacts your inner kingdom with all the fanfare you deserve. Shine bright, spark joy, and lead with your signature confidence. Just remember, rest is not weakness, romance needs grounding, and justice follows vision. If this reading made you puff with pride or smirk with sass, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your roar. Your throne awaits. Claim it.